Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on charging animation on Samsung Galaxy F15. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, Wi-Fi and network settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Reduce Animations. A few different options may pop up, like those related to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, but ignore those for now. We're focusing on lock screen settings. Step 4. From the search results, tap on Reduce Animations. When you're inside, unfortunately, this option is turned on. Step 5. For the last and most important step, tap the Reduce Animations option to turn it off and turn on charging animation on your phone. Bonus tip: if your phone still doesn't show the animation, make sure you're using the original or a high-quality charger. Your phone isn't in battery saver mode, which can also reduce animations. Your screen isn't turned off instantly due to screen timeout settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.